Hi, welcome to Jaldi Jaldi. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late. वो क्या है कि ना today I just decided to dress up and I thought I'd look very nice if I dressed up. Sorry assistant, I got late. Oh, and also assistant, पता है who sent me a letter today?
Who?
Ador. Ador sent us a letter today. मैं पढ़ूं? Okay. She writes, Dear Kalpu and assistant, Hi, I'm having a very nice time in school. My exams are great fun. Only Ador can say her exams are great fun. Huh. My teachers say that they're very happy I'm in school now. I miss Jaldi Jaldi a lot. Even we miss her a lot, no? I miss Jaldi Jaldi a lot. Please say a big hi to all the students who've come there this time, and I hope they're very good. Are you very good? Okay. A lot of love to all of you. Love, Ador.
Ador is a nice girl.
So am I. चलिए, introduction सब हो गए? नहीं। ओ कुछ नहीं हुआ? I'm so sorry. अच्छा तो देखिए, मैं हूँ कल्पना, आपकी होस्टेस. सबसे ज़्यादा बड़बड़ मैं करूँगी और आपको डिस्क्वालीफाई करने का हक सिर्फ मुझे है. Right? Okay. ये हैं असिस्टेंट, स्कोर कीपर, माय मैन फ्राइडे, एवरीथिंग. Right? सब कुछ यही करेंगे. और आप सब कौन हैं? टीम जिप.
Hello, I'm Juhi Vaidya.
Hi Juhi.
Hi. Hi, I'm Meghavi.
Hi Meghavi. How does it feel to be on the show?
Very nice.
Not at all nervous, I
No.
hope?
No.
Great. That's the way to be. Team Zap.
Hi, I'm Bhushan Vaidya.
Hi Bhushan.
Hi, I'm Janarayan.
Hi. Are you guys very enthusiastic?
Yes.
You might win the show, right?
Yes.
Okay, here's to that. Come on, Team Zoom.
Hi, I'm Mittal Kamdar.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Harshal Desai.
आप nervous नहीं है ना? आप थोड़े nervous लग रहे हैं. बिल्कुल नहीं ना? You're very happy to be on the show.
Yes.
वेलकम बैक. जल्दी जल्दी के पहले राउंड में आप सबका स्वागत है. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हमारा पहला राउंड हमेशा एक पर्सनालिटी राउंड होता है. तो इस बारी भी वो एक पर्सनालिटी राउंड है. अब असिस्टेंट, इज द पर्सनालिटी बोर्ड रेडी?
Faces everywhere. Everywhere.
So we'll start off with the first personality of Team Zip. चलिए Team Zip. Edson Arantes do Nascimento is the full name of this world-class football player. Amazing name. Edson Arantes do Nascimento. Oh, sorry Team Zip. Next clue. 10 साल की उम्र से फुटबॉल खेलने वाले यह खिलाड़ी 18 साल की उम्र में वर्ल्ड कप के लिए ब्राजील की टीम में शामिल हुए. Come on. You must be knowing something about football. Come on. Take a wild guess. Sorry, time's up. Okay. Third and last clue. Come on, team. Zip. Come on, back up. Black Pearl is what football lovers all over the world call him. It's very simple. It's very simple. Come on. Zip. I'm so sorry, Team Zip. Zap ya Zoom. It's a buzzer question now. Yes, sir?
Pele.
Absolutely right, Pele. Okay. Team Zap. अब आपका question. This 83-year-old veteran film star's first film was Jeevan Naiya, in which he acted and also sang. He's 83 years old now. No, you don't have, huh? No, sorry, wrong. Next clue. 1988 में इन्हें दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया. Come on, Zap. Zap, it's very simple. He's probably one of your favorites. Zap, third clue. Okay, this is a very simple clue, you'll get it. इनकी कई मशहूर फिल्मों में से एक थी चलती का नाम गाड़ी, जिसमें इन्होंने अपने दोनों भाइयों के साथ अभिनय किया था. Zap! चलती का नाम गाड़ी. Zap, I'm so sorry. Okay, buzzer.
Ashok Kumar.
Absolutely right, Ashok Kumar. Team Zoom. आपके पर्सनालिटी. यह समाज सेवक एक लॉयर थे और उन्होंने अपना जीवन लेप्रेसी पेशेंट्स की भलाई में लगा दिया? Zoom?
डॉक्टर अंबेडकर।
नो, नॉट डॉक्टर अंबेडकर, सॉरी। नेक्स्ट क्लू। उनका आश्रम आनंद वन अमरावती जिले में है। कम ऑन जूम। आनंद वन? नो? ओके असिस्टेंट, ओके असिस्टेंट। थर्ड एंड लास्ट क्लू। उन्होंने भारत जोड़ो मूवमेंट को चलाया और नर्मदा आंदोलन में भी उनका हिस्सा हुआ। उन्होंने हिस्सा लिया, सॉरी। Zoom, it's very simple. I'm sorry, Zoom. Buzzer. Zip, zap. No guesses. The right answer is Baba Amte. अब असिस्टेंट हमें स्कोर्स बताएंगे। असिस्टेंट?
Team Zip gets 6.
Very good.
Team Zap gets 6.
Okay.
And Team Zoom, 0.
I'm so sorry, but please give yourselves a very big hand. It's a good beginning. Okay, Zip, Zap, Zoom. Are you ready to go into round 2?
Yes.
Absolutely excited. You're going to make many more points, right, Team Zoom? Okay? Okay. अब मैं आपको ये राउंड समझा दूं। ये है हमारा एक्टिविटी राउंड। अब इस राउंड में आप सबके सामने 6 रस्सी रखी हैं, 6 रोप्स, राइट? अब मेरे गेट सेट गो कहने पर आपको एक दूसरे को राखी बांधनी है। बाय दैट आई मीन कि पहले आप उनकी कलाई पर एक बांधेंगे रस्सी, फिर ये आपकी कलाई पर एक बांधेंगे। लाइक दिस यू शुड फिनिश ऑल द 6 ropes. All of you should have 3 राखीज each, right? Okay. तो get, set, go. Come on.
Now give me
And tie it properly. Double knot. Double knot. Okay, zip, let me check. Okay, good. Very good. Good zoom. Come on, come on, come on. Zap. Okay, zap faster. Faster. Zoom, you're doing very well. Zip, you're doing very, very well. Okay. Okay, looks like Zip has got 10 points. Okay, Zip, very good. 10 points to you. अब Zap और Zoom में किसे मिलेंगे 8 पॉइंट और किसे मिलेंगे 6 पॉइंट?
give me a beat.
Zoom, let me check. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Very good, Zoom. Zap. Wait, let him finish. Come on. Okay, okay. Run. Run, 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 run. And press the buzzer. Give yourselves a very big hand. That was a very cute round. Very good, guys. अब इस round के बाद, let's find out what the scores are. आदोर, assistant scores क्या है?
Team Zip gets 16 points.
And
Team Zap gets 12 points.
Team Zoom.
And Team Zoom gets 8 points.
Very good, very good. Give yourselves a very big hand. That's a good score. Good, guys. Keep up the good work. Team Zip, आप में से कौन आ रहा है? I'm so sorry. Next clue. This is probably the only Indian city that is the capital of 2 states. Very simple.
Chandigarh.
Absolutely right, Chandigarh. Now, this is an island between the 2 branches of the Kaveri River. It's in the south, that means, huh? It's a small island between the 2 branches of the Kaveri River. Zip, zap, zoom, come on. Okay, assistant. Second clue. Still 8 points to be won. It was the capital of the Mysore kings like Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan and others in the period between 1616 to 1799. It was the capital of the Mysore kings. Very simple. Zoom, come on. Zoom is going to attempt. It's a buzzer question. Last clue. 1799 में अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ते हुए टीपू सुल्तान की मौत यहीं हुई थी. Come on. History, elementary history. Come on. Zip. The right answer is Srirangapatnam. Srirangapatnam. I'm sure you've studied this in history. Huh? Okay, very bad, huh? Very bad. Now next is, this is a monument. This is the tomb. This is the tomb of an emperor built by his widow Haji Begum. It's a tomb, it's a maqbara. No guesses? My God, team, इतने difficult तो नहीं है ये questions. Okay. 15 लाख रुपए खर्च करके दिल्ली में ये मकबरा 1554 से लेकर 1570 के दौरान बनाया गया.
कुतुब मीनार.
No, Qutub Minar is not a maqbara. Sorry, sir. I'm very.
बीबी का मकबरा.
No, it's not Bibi ka maqbara, and you can't answer because they've answered, no? Okay, last clue. Okay. This massive tomb is the tomb of the second Mughal emperor of India. The right answer is Humayun's tomb. Who was the second Mughal emperor of India? Very bad, teams. चलिए, it doesn't matter. Now everyone smile and try harder. Okay. ये एक शहर है, भारतीय शहर है, हाँ? कर्नाटक का यह शहर 1486 से 1686 के बीच तक आदिल शाही डिनेस्टी की राजधानी थी.
Bijapur.
Absolutely right, Bijapur. Give him a very big hand, please. Very good, Zap. I'm very impressed. Assistant, हमें scores बताइए, please.
Team Zip gets 26.
Very good.
Team Zap gets 30.
All right,
And Team Zoom gets 8.
okay. Give Zap a very big hand. They're leading up till now. Very good, Zap. Very good. Keep up the good work. And Zoom, you have to buck up. आप कहीं जाइएगा मत, क्योंकि एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद हम अपने जल्दी राउंड के साथ हाजिर होते हैं. See you. अब आप सबके सामने क्या क्या है? 1 पिगी बैंक, बहुत सारे कॉइन्स और एक चाबियों का गुच्छा. ओके? मेरे सिग्नल पर, यानी मेरे गेट सेट गो कहने पर आप सबको एक एक करके ये सब कॉइन्स अपने पिगी बैंक में डालने हैं. राइट? Whichever 2 teams do this fastest can move to the next stage. जहां पर you have to take your piggy bank full with the coins and these keys. Try to open your piggy bank. Remove all the coins. Okay. So your time starts now. One by one, एक एक करके डालिए सब coins. Quick. Nobody cheats. Come on. So much money, Hazu. Come on. अब भागिए. Run to your. Okay, I'm sorry, Zap. You'll have to go back. Sorry. Now find out which is your key. Find out which is the right key. Isn't it? Okay. Zip has managed to open theirs. Come on. सब निकालिए. I'm going to count the coins. Oh God. Okay, Zip seems to be finishing first. All right. Come on, जल्दी से बैठ के buzzer बजाइए. Okay. Very good.
Team Zip gets 46.
Very good.
Team Zap gets 30.
Okay.
And Team Zoom gets 18.
So the winner of this time, jaldi is Team Zip. Give them a very big hand. Very good, team Zip. Very good. How does it feel taking home your music systems?
Great.
Great, huh? Zap and Zoom. निराश मत होइए, आपको तो अपने Walkmans मिल ही रहे हैं, and you had a lot of fun taking part in the show, right? Lots of fun.
Yes.
You want to come back again on Jaldi Jaldi?
Yes.